Had a couple hiccups at this property at the start. One being we settled about a week ago and the power still hasn't been connected. This is the power box back here. Like, it's all ready to go, nothing's wrong with it. We've got that, plus we've got solar. But as you can see, they haven't come out to connect it. They got another appointment today at 1 to 6 p.m. to hook it up. Electrician's here to sort out what we need to, because this unit here was brand new. So this hot water system, brand new, just got put in, new copper piping, everything like that. But the power itself came out of this hole here. So the power for the hot water came out of that hole. They cut it flush to the, hold on,